I used to use this map, and they put little dicks on every fucking quake for weeks. He'd touch on, take you to a little porn site, and it came back, and it was this changed model. We used to use this, and current burning fires were just marked red recently, and now they're marked yellow. This map used to also show the entire globe. Remember? We just made one a couple of days ago using this map. It no longer shows any fires on the globe, just in the United States. However, they'll be happy to show you the goddamn lightning strikes. We have used this globe quite some time, and we have watched the UBI shut down for over a week, and now it no longer correlates with that which people are reading on the ground. Funny, it only goes to 11, maybe 12. Oh, there's a 13. We were reading 22s a lot. It's just not happening anymore all of a sudden on this map. About 4 or 5 years ago, I was using this guy. You've seen him in some of my videos. Now, like a stand-up kind of character, he actually made a couple of videos talking about how the alphabet soup had been approaching him and he was compromised. Literally said this about himself. Took down quite a few videos. I watched this guy do the same thing. Then lastly, this same group of people, D5 Unser, fucking Dazza the cameraman, Derek Bros billionaire, Microsoft International fucking CEO, Viacom, fucking Mr. American Movie Association, Paramount Pictures fucking vice president himself, Mr. Lockwood over here, who had been working with Derek for so fucking long on all these channels, getting them to change over, stop their content. This motherfucker took down 180 videos and started bad mouthing me every day I wake up. He will deny oxygen. He's got you laying on your back to make the moon stop rolling. At first he said it wasn't rolling. Then he starts laying on his back to try and make it stop rolling. You starting to get the picture? This motherfucker orchestrated it all. And y'all over here telling me I'm vicious, I'm mean for talking about this guy who just strangled his fucking wife and ran to Mexico? You're fucking kidding me. For years, this man has sent people to my home. He has fucking... Let me allow Caddy Joe to tell you. Caddy Joe, Willie over here, Derek's general, she been in his chat for fucking since he started chatting, policing his chat. You should know her. Check out her words. She owes me the biggest apology in the motherfucking world. Why? Because Derek Bros billionaire has been fucking with my life. As y'all be sitting here talking about, oh, you're mean. He's not the same guy. You're an idiot. You're a fucking fool, fooled by a billionaire that you fucking run around talking about, bad about. Like, oh, those elites. You sucking elites cock. Openly coming over here to my channel, sucking his cock. I ain't supposed to be laughing. Damn it. This is serious shit. These motherfuckers are paid by your goddamn government. They orchestrate these things. Mr. fucking Bros is Mr. Goddamn Entertainment. He got so many motherfuckers under his belt, it's not even funny. And you sit here and you act like he's some kind of rogue preacher trying to get along in life. Fuck you, you idiot. Read her words. He strangled the fucking cunt and ran off to fucking Mexico, and he's wanted by the feds because he gave away troop movements in wartime. He never spent a day in jail for. They assigned him a wife to fucking handle him. He was fucking terrified of her and bolted. Now what's he doing? I don't know. Is he sucking up to the fucking government again? I don't know. We'll see, won't we? But I'll tell you this much. I'm sick of the goddamn manipulation. Yeah, I'm sick of you motherfucking idiots over here backing him up. This is his general. You owe me an apology, bros. You owe me compensation. You little bitch. What I hear? You little bitch? Huh? You got lessons? You started the conflict, you fucking cunt. Where the fuck's my apology, you little bitch? Fuck you. You ain't nothing but empty words. And he's still manipulating you. All of you fucking stupid fucks. You stupid fucks.